think this is Chesterfield Canal, or one of them. Good morning, inflatable fans. I nearly forgot that bit then. Quite a nice morning, relatively mild. It's about 7-8 degrees. Pontoon dippers down there getting set up. Mr 80 quid's there. The machine is behind him. I think this is Babyface. No, it's Grandad. Grandad's here as well. So we've got Babyface, Mr 80 quid. There's my boat. I'm in Cassie today. Got the eFin in that. I'm going to try it out in that. The machine over there. Swan Dodger's just down there. Pontoon dipper's here, and Grandad is just putting his blanket on just to protect his knees. Right, we're off. The eFin's making a bit of noise. I'm just going to stop it and put it in reverse. Right, the eFin was making a really awful noise, but I've worked out what it was, and I've sorted it out. It was just something caught in the prop, but now we should be fine. And we're off. Right, let's go. I need to catch everybody up. So according to my watch, I'm moving along at around 5.5 miles an hour at the minute. So I should catch them up quite easily. I'm in sport mode. Woohoo! Look at that bow wave on Cassie. There's Grandad. Grandad had to come back for his vape. He'd left it on the bank. And Raf's come back just to make sure everybody's alright, because he's good like that. Hello!
Here he comes.
It works in this nice. Quite flat round here. Nice day though. Nice sunset, sunrise on the way. I'll tell you what, just in drive mode, this is doing 3.5 miles an hour on here. Might have to try towing somebody today, see what that's like. Right, Grandad's just going to tie his boat to the back of mine. I'm going to see what it's like towing it with this eFin on. Right, it's tied on. Let's press drive.
Oh yeah, brilliant.
Oh, it's struggling.
I'll give it a bit of.
Let me just put it in reverse. Might be something in the prop. With having been so close to the bank. Right. Right, still getting sport. Obviously it's a lot slower, but we're still doing almost 3 miles an hour in sport. Are you paddle assisting as well? Let's paddle assist. Doing 3.5 miles an hour. I can see the boys up ahead. They've been loitering under a bridge by the look of it. What's that like, Grandad? What's it like? Obviously I'm not turning you the whole bloody way. I think Jim's doing a bit of geocaching underneath that bridge, if I was to hazard a guess. Jim's a fellow geocacher. How are you doing at the back there, Grandad?
Got on. I've been paddling like hell, Raf, honest. Have you? I don't know what happened to you. I'm fucking exhausted paddling, mate.
Right, get it untied.
I think it's the fastest Grandad's ever been, isn't it? Another half a mile down here, we'll find an automatic.
Yeah, gasping.
It's better now put that pad in it.
Oh, is it working better with that?
Way better. Yeah.
A bit high, it's only PFD, isn't it?
It's an armchair. It's not.
I'll just be having a nap in a minute.
Can't believe it. Grandad's in front. A little bit of debris in this canal, so chances are the prop will keep getting caught up from time to time.
Power?
Oh, no.
Power, isn't it?
Right, do you want to see it on full power?
Get a wave going.
That's what you get when you try and stop a movable force. Give Grandad a shove. Better not, might knock him out.
Just put Grandad out of there.
He's got a was it just
Traffic jam! It's fun central around here today. Fun! Fun! Scummertex! Anyway, perhaps I should mention it is Swan Dodger's birthday. Mr. Ruffles of Rough Paddling. I'll put his YouTube channel link in the description. And that's why we're all out today, to celebrate the fact that he's levelled up. Right, let's put this machine in drive mode, see how easy it is to catch them up while they're just pottering away. Lots of ducks flying around. There's quite a few ducks on the water actually, ahead of the boys. There we go, there's a couple just taking off there. I love this. All of us out on the water is ace. Nice little picnic area there. A little bit rainy at the minute, but it's not too bad. Nice place to live. Looking at that sign, I think this place is called Visitor Moorings. Yeah, I know. Daft sod. Winding hole there. That's so that the canal boats can turn around. It's a nice little one, isn't it? Blackbird. Reminds me of a ZZ Top song. And I do like a bit of ZZ Top. Used to be a pub.
Private house now.
Yeah, nice place to live. But that willow looks nice when it's in leaf. A little bridge coming up. Gotta admit, I think some of these canal side properties make me a little bit envious. And at least living canal side, many of them are unlikely to flood, if not most.
Oh, me?
No geocaches under that one, Jim?
Yeah, there's one about 30 metres further down. I'll do it on the way back so I can get out the ridge.
Right, okay.
Just a couple of people there.
Morning. What a lovely little cottage.
And there's always one at the end, isn't there?
Oh, I don't want any of that caught in the prop. Practice my bow draws. You alright there, Grandad?
Yeah. Yeah, doing alright.
Lots of nice little bridges on this little route.
Throw it in back of somebody else.
Well, an exeter has been and a spurt is a drip under pressure, so
I've heard that one.
I can understand him not wanting to. That's a bit messy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been there a while.
I don't know whether you can read it, but that sign up there says ruination 1 mile, redemption 1,000 miles. Love it.
Down on the bit of the world's end.
And then yeah, that place is called the World's End. And then there's a bridge. So we've got to the boat inn. We are going to go to the pub at some point today, but this isn't the one. But look at that willow. That's a beauty, isn't it? Anyway, I've got left behind. Time to catch up. Yeah, I got chatting with Mike at the back there then. I think we'll dodge this big log in the water. Oh, maybe we are getting out here. Everybody's tying off. Pit stop time. I've got the Chelan spare seat in this boat today. I thought I'd try it out in here. And you know what, it's alright. The only snag with this, in this boat, is because the seat's inflatable, the floor panel on the Cascade there's a little bit of a space at the back, so the back of this seat kind of slots down there a little bit, so it's not ideal, but it's better than the seat this comes with. Like I've said before in so many other videos, most kayak seats are just naff and nasty. Oh, good coffee. Grandad's got his sandwich box out, so I thought I'd have some chicken. Nice. Well, set off. This is where this motor really comes in handy. Chicken eater coming through. Chicken eater. Whoa, hang on, sorry, Grandad. Chicken eater coming through. Chicken eater coming through. Quite handy, this motor.
Well, I've got a chicken sandwich. Oh, it's been wrong way.
Well, oi! Grandad stopped for a sandwich break, so I got my chicken out.
That could sound so wrong, though.
This opens up nicely here. The machine and I have just been sat at the back yakking. But yeah, it's nice and big and flat. We've got some interesting cloud formations today. We are supposed to get a bit of rain and stuff. We've already had a little bit. But hell, I'm no Michael Fish. Woo!
Having a good speedboat is just a bit mental.
Dead slow, please. Moored craft. Slow down, Grandad. You're going too fast. I've got to admit, this eFin is really fun. What I am getting today is a bit of debris in the prop from time to time. But that's not the fault of the eFin. It's my daft fault for bringing it out on water where there's a lot of debris in it. But it is kind of nice from time to time just to either use it as a paddle assist, like now, or just to pick your paddle up and watch the world go by. Hello. Have you just got the one line in?
This couple in, but you're alright, stay over there.
You're alright this side, are we?
Yeah. Don't want to getting caught around my prop.
He's idle. We've got a bleeding motor on this.
Today.
You're sorry?
So a bit bigger sick we've got today.
It's hard work, this.
It looks like it. You've got engine on that.
Yeah.
Got an awful lot.
It's full out of breath.
That's
That's isn't it? That.
He's got a bit next to me.
Oh, I like the design on the back of that. That's cool. I'm just going to pull up here for a leg stretch. Maybe use the facilities. We've had a little pit stop. Coming a bit wet and rainy. We're going to head back to the pub. Swan dodger. Well, he dodged the swans. We passed those swans and he turned back. Gonna have to tick the piss out of him for that. You what?
Think you'll have bought rounds in for it?
I don't think he'll have bought rounds in. He's gone to the pub. Got right idea, it's his birthday. Fair enough, eh? Well, I thought Swan Dodger was in pub, but he's not, he's here. Got a bit of rain again. Oh, right on the
camera.
right on the bloody camera.
You take it a bit stable.
Up. Pub, I can see the pub. Bit of water on the camera lens there, because it's raining. Pub. Abandoned boats. Everybody's gone to the pub. Come on, let's go to the pub. Pub. Had a little beer and a bit of a nibble.
I didn't switch my feet on.
Oh no! Bugger. Mine are still on. Actually, they won't have much more life left in them. We've been out for 5 hours or so. Oh, racing back, he's proper slinging it down. Lovely. Got it in sport mode at the minute. Just enjoying the speed. Got 4.5 miles an hour without much effort. And I know the prop will be a bit blocked because of all the debris in this canal, but so the flow through it won't be quite as good as it was when I set off. But still, he's doing all right. Anyway, I think I'll wrap this up there because we're only going to get back and then dry off, dry everything down. Thank you so much for watching. We've had a bit of fun today. As I say, this was just a bit of a celebration for John's birthday, really. So just been out and had a bit of fun, bit of banter, bit of laughs, that kind of stuff. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing, blah, bloody blah. I bet you get fed up of hearing that crap, don't you, from everybody on YouTube? I know I do. Anyway, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio! Silly voice again, silly voice.
Hey.